Okay, this seems to be a normal start every morning. I can hit the accelerator, nothing happens. Oh, now we stopped. Sometimes it'll start, sometimes it won't start. Now it's working. Very strange. Placed the filters, fuel filters, flood this fuel system. Oh, now we're stumbling again. I'm not touching the accelerator, it's just doing that on its own. All on its own, if you can hear that. It's worse when it's cold, but it also will do it when it's hot. So, anybody has any ideas? Wiggled a bunch of wires around. I thought maybe it was an electrical issue, but it doesn't seem to be affected by that. Yeah, and now it's going to quit. Then it'll run like this, just sort of, it's semi-running. And sometimes I could cycle the key. I'll do that a few times, thinking that there was some air in the system. I would get some pressure, but it has pressure. Ding, ding, ding. Doesn't anyone knock anymore? Okay, we're going to try and crank it. Like it wants to start, but this truck has had a lot of work done to it. Engine, heads, fuel conditioning module, whatever you call that, on the right. The lift pump has been replaced. The high pressure fuel pump has been replaced. All the injectors have been replaced. We don't get to put very many miles on it, and it's needs more money. Needs more fixing. These darn things, you get so far into them, you don't want to leave. I also thought it might be an accelerator pedal, so I actually put it on the scope. I could see that the accelerator pedal position was at 0 when you accelerate, and it goes to 99%. It's at 0 at rest. Beat it around a little bit. Maybe a connection to the ignition switch or something. I've tried, tilting the wheel, messing around with that. think I'll probably get it started here, because it does this for a while and then it will start to behave and run normally. Ran normally all day yesterday, probably put about 100 kilometers on it. Of course, I carry a tow rope. Okay, now it's going to run. Isn't that bizarre? Okay, well, we're going to go back to the house and take a different truck today, because I wish I could count on it, but I don't want to be stranded on the freeway. I got to pull a trailer around. I don't like pulling trailer with my half-ton, but that's what's going to have to happen today. I don't trust her anymore. So yeah, if anybody has any ideas, let me know. Appreciate any input.